Welcome. Today, we're going to explore why nearly 95% of Americans end up financially unprepared for retirement, and more importantly, the roadmap to fix it. The truth is, the tools the wealthy use to protect and grow their money are available to everyone, if you know where to look. Let's dive in. It starts with the power of choice. As an independent platform, we don't push one company's product. We match solutions to your specific needs, scanning across dozens of top-rated carriers to find the perfect fit for your family.
That means one conversation can address your entire financial picture, from debt and college savings to retirement and long-term care. And as we'll see, the right life insurance strategy can actually solve multiple problems at once. So, let's prepare for the journey. Does your current portfolio really have everything you need to weather the storms of life?
Successful people follow 10 fundamental financial principles. They protect their principal, minimize fees, outpace inflation, and understand how their money is taxed. Most importantly, they plan for the unexpected, like critical illness and market downturns. Most families build their wealth using a mix of these 13 common vehicles, from checking accounts and 401ks to stocks and annuities. But not all vehicles are created equal.
Principle 1. Make money and never lose it. Is your principal protected? Bank accounts are safe, but market accounts like 401ks and IRAs expose you to full market risk. Notice that cash value life insurance, like Indexed Universal Life, provides a 0% floor, meaning your principal is protected from market losses. Principle 3. Fees compound against you. A mere 1% difference in fees can reduce your 401k balance by 28% over your career. You must know what you're paying to invest.
Principle 4. Outpace inflation. If your money isn't growing faster than inflation, you are losing purchasing power every single day. Bank products simply cannot keep up. Principle 5. Taxes. Every dollar lives in one of 3 buckets: taxed now, taxed later, or potentially never taxed. While 401ks defer your taxes to an unknown future rate, the cash value in a properly structured life insurance policy can grow and be accessed tax-advantaged.
Principle 6. Liquidity. Can you access your money before age 59 and a half? Most retirement accounts penalize you heavily. But with cash value life insurance, policy loans and withdrawals are generally penalty-free at any age. Principle 7. Uninterrupted compound growth. The math is undeniable. Compounding is the 8th wonder of the world, but it only works if you give it time to grow.
However, compounding is easily interrupted by market losses. A 50% loss requires a 100% gain just to break even. This is why floor-based products, like Indexed Universal Life, are so powerful. By avoiding the down years, your money compounds without interruption. Principle 8. Social Security. Up to 85% of your benefits may be taxable, and the trust fund is projected to be depleted by 2034. You cannot rely on the government alone.
Principle 9. If your income stopped today due to illness, how long could you survive? Medical issues contribute to 2/3 of bankruptcies. Unlike bank accounts or stocks, life insurance with living benefits can actually pay you while you are still alive to cover these costs. A common mistake is assuming your job or the government will take care of you. Employer disability is temporary and partial. Medicare doesn't cover long-term custodial care. These are safety nets, not a plan.
Principle 10. Estate and probate. Where does your money go when you pass? Probate can drain up to 7% of your estate and take years. Life insurance bypasses probate entirely, delivering funds directly and tax-free to your family. So, how would you like your money to grow? Fixed is steady but slow. Variable is full market risk. But indexed growth offers upside potential with a floor of protection. It's the best of both worlds.
Let's look at the 4 types of life insurance: group life through work, temporary term life, guaranteed whole life, and flexible universal life. Group life is a great free supplement from your employer, but it usually ends when you leave your job and rarely provides enough coverage.
Term life is excellent for temporary needs, like a mortgage, but it builds no cash value, and the vast majority of policies expire without ever paying a benefit. Whole life offers permanent coverage and guaranteed cash value growth, but it requires the highest premiums and offers conservative returns.
Then there is indexed universal life, or IUL. It offers permanent protection, tax-advantaged cash value growth linked to an index, a 0% floor against market losses, and living benefits. It is the ultimate financial multi-tool. Now that you understand the toolbox, it's time to apply the power of choice to your own life.
Let's look at the blue screen scorecard. When you compare bank products, market accounts, and indexed products, cash value life insurance stands out. It offers principal protection, tax advantages, liquidity, living benefits, and uninterrupted compounding. This isn't a secret. The wealthy and major institutions already do this. U.S. banks hold over $200 billion in bank-owned life insurance. If banks use it to protect and grow their capital, shouldn't your family?
The concepts are powerful, but the numbers are personal. The next step is to see a personalized IUL illustration designed specifically for your goals. But this mission is bigger than any one family. It's called No Family Left Behind, a financial literacy campaign to bring these truths to every kitchen table in America. And we're inviting the right people to help lead it. If you've ever wondered whether you could be one of them, the next few minutes are for you.
If you're considering joining the campaign, start here. These 5 foundational books are what every new advocate reads first. They'll give you the same financial vocabulary the wealthy use and the confidence to teach it to the families who need it most. As you go deeper, this second stack covers the advanced strategies: tax planning, sequence of returns risk, and how to communicate life-changing ideas simply. You don't need to master them on day one. You'll grow into them as you serve more families.
The message you'd carry is simple. Tax rates are likely to rise, so families need a plan. Uninterrupted compounding is a miracle worth teaching. And if banks buy life insurance for their own stability and growth, we owe it to families to at least explain the option. Let's take a deeper dive into inflation. It isn't just a flat 3%. Recent years have seen inflation spike well above the Fed's target. Your money must work hard just to maintain its purchasing power.
When comparing direct market investing to indexed crediting, remember, the market offers full upside, but devastating downside. Indexed products, like IUL, bound the upside, but eliminate the index losses entirely. It's about loss avoidance. Our process is simple. From the initial needs analysis and illustration, through the e-application and underwriting, to final approval and policy delivery, we guide clients every step of the way.
Policy delivery must be done right. Verify all details, review the riders, explain the free look period, and always set the next annual review date. But why does this mission matter? Let's look at 2 case studies that show what these numbers mean at the kitchen table.
Meet Mary, a successful nurse with a great income, but no personal protection. When a sudden critical illness struck, her employer disability ran out. her savings drained, and her family had to resort to crowdfunding. Now, imagine Mary with an IUL policy that included living benefits. The diagnosis triggers the rider, accelerating a portion of her death benefit. Her bills are paid, her home is safe, and she can focus entirely on recovery.
The cost of no financial education is devastating. Income is not security. Protection is. Even high-income households are vulnerable without the right plan in place. Living benefits change everything. Whether it's a critical illness like a heart attack or cancer, or a chronic illness that prevents daily activities, these riders unlock your policy while you are still living.
As the saying goes, if you think education is expensive, wait until you see how much ignorance costs. Financial education changes family trees. Learn the principles, apply the tools, and protect what matters most with the power of choice.
You've seen the principles. You've seen the stories. Now it's your turn to act. Point your phone camera at the QR code on your screen. You'll find 3 paths forward. Learn more about these concepts, request a personalized, no-obligation quote, or join the No Family Left Behind campaign as an associate. 1 code, 3 ways to move forward. The next chapter of your family story starts with a single scan.